In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of installing IPTV SmartOS Pro on your Samsung Smart TV, so you can start enjoying live TV and on-demand content right from your couch. First, grab your remote and go to the Smart Hub on your Samsung TV. From there, navigate to Apps and use the search bar to type in IPTV SmartOS Pro. If the app appears in the search results, simply select it and hit Install. Once the installation is complete, launch the app, and you'll be asked to enter your IPTV subscription details. If you don't see the app in the search, no worries. You can easily sideload it by downloading the app on your computer or smartphone, transferring it to a USB drive, and then plugging the drive into your TV. Go to Settings, Enable Developer Options, and allow apps from unknown sources. From there, use a File Manager app to locate the IPTV SmartOS Pro app on your USB drive and install it. Once installed, open the app, enter your login credentials, and you're ready to stream. This method will have you set up in no time, so you can enjoy all your favorite shows, movies, and sports directly on your Samsung Smart TV.